Welcome to budgettravelerchris.com with Kevin Glass, and we are at the Cowichan River, Kevin?
Yeah.
And we have a sunset at the Black Bridge, which has been recently torched. A year ago was the last torching. When was the previous torching of this?
I couldn't, have a real documented, but they blazed it pretty good.
Yeah, maybe a couple years
Thankfully,
prior.
A lot of the bridge was iron, so
Yeah, it looks like
survived.
Yeah, it survived nicely. So check out this sunset. I haven't seen one since Puerto Vallarta last week, but we're back now. It's April. We're back in Canada, and here's the sunset, people. The sun's setting in Canada.
And a Cowichan River that is is really beautiful to see with how gushing that it really is right now.
Exactly. Look at this gushing Cowichan River, and they even have a beautiful little sand bank here that you can suntan on, even in the wintertime. This is where we usually come in the summer when it's all nice and sunny and hot, but here we are, 18 degrees today, beginning of April. But you know what? Gotta love it. Blue sky. Stay tuned. Budget Traveler. Never know who you're gonna meet or what you're gonna see.